Hello students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Before summer vacation we have completed 3 chapters: human skeletal and muscular system, the nervous system, and more about plants. Now we are going to start a new interesting topic. Yes, in that you will learn many things. Definitely you will like that. But before that I want to ask you some question. How many of you visited zoo? Yes? Okay. Many of you have visited zoo. Are you going to share with me your experience? How do you feel? What you have seen in zoo? Okay. You have seen different animals. Birds. Yes. Are you able to name some animals and birds? Or whatever you have seen in zoo? Yes? Okay. You have seen elephant. Elephant you have seen. Okay. Elephant, tiger, leopard, monkeys, emu, okay, crocodiles, hyena, okay, then, oh, different birds, monkey also, tortoise, okay, you have seen many animals and birds too. So which animal live freely in which environment? Environment means surrounding. And why particular animal live in a particular environment? Are you able to answer this? Okay, crocodile lives in water. Or tiger, elephant, okay, leopard live in forest, okay, monkeys lives on, okay, monkeys lives on tree, okay, yes, okay, turtle also you have seen, hyena, okay, you have seen so many animals and you know where they are living. And why particular animals live in a particular environment? Yes. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about this only. You have seen many animals, or you may come across with different animals in you, around your area or in neighborhood. Dog, cat, goat, horse, and different birds also. Pigeon, parrot, sparrow, crow, yes, common myna, squirrel, okay, squirrel. You have seen these different animals. So these animals are differ from each other in their food, eating habits, then their behavior, nesting. Yes. So the particular animal live in a particular area where all these requirements are fulfilled. Okay, Tiger and elephant and lion, they are living in forest because they are whatever food they need, they are getting in forest. Okay, so the natural surrounding where the animals are living, these animals live freely, feed and reproduce. It's called their habitat. So the definition of habitat is the natural environment where an animal lives, feeds and reproduces is called its habitat. Yes, everyone now understood? For example, fish lives in water, monkey lives on tree, tiger, giraffe, elephant lives in forest, frog lives in water also or and on land also. Then birds, they fly in sky. Maybe they are making nest on the tree, but most of the time they spend in flying. So different animals live in different environment because all their needs are fulfilled there. The natural environment where an animal lives, feed and reproduce is its habitat. Now you have seen that fish lives in water, tiger lives in forest, monkey lives on tree, camel lives in desert, then polar bear lives in polar region. Yes, so water, land, forest, pond, river, polar region, desert, all these are the different kinds of habitat. Yes, these are habitat. And animals lives in different habitat where there all the requirements of food, water and shelters are fulfilled. Now you have to open your textbook and you have to read and solve the I connect in that. Yes, one question is there. You will see here I connect and you have to solve this. Getting? So in today's session we have learned the different why a particular animal prefer to live in a particular place. Then we have learned what is habitat and we have also learned the different examples of habitat. Yes. Now we are going to stop here and tomorrow we will learn something new and interesting. But you have to complete that I connect. I will ask you tomorrow what you have written. Okay? So go through all what we have learned. Yes, watch the video very carefully and try to understand and read textbook. Okay, so we are going to stop here. So bye.